Now, the importance of having analytics embedded in your website is so powerful that a lot of people don't really realize how powerful that is. Now, a success of an online website or online business is solely dependent on the user experience. And how do you know what the user experience is? You actually know it by analyzing the data that you track. Now, there are so many tools available in the industry. Throughout the past years, I have seen so many new tools come up for specifically web technologies. One of my favorite tool to work with is Microsoft Clarity. Since it have came up, it have got so many different features combined into one little packaged bundle that I can just go in and analyze the user behavior in a really easy way. There are other ways as well, but obviously Microsoft Clarity have the advantage of being free, which is one of the major reasons why a lot of businesses like to use Microsoft Clarity. I have also seen Microsoft Clarity give you user sessions. Those allow you to be able to see how your users are performing. I've seen this perform really well for us when we are launching a new website and we don't know how users are going to interact with the website. Some users would click on a certain element too often, and that element may not perform the way it should be. So in us figuring out all of those issues, Microsoft Clarity have been great help. Along with that, GA4 obviously is a great tool to analyze different elements, like almost very similar to Microsoft Clarity. These tools actually work in conjunction with each other. If you have both of these installed, there are so many different features that you can combine and utilize. Me, having analytics on a website is highly crucial, not just for the development purposes, but to understand how the user experience can be made better and how the user can be given the information, the products and the services in a way better way than what they are receiving at the moment. So if you haven't leveraged the GA4, if you haven't leveraged the analytics tool, it would be a great idea to jump onto them as soon as possible. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to this video, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be very happy to answer those questions. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.